Welcome back to Mac's Garage. I'm going to continue the transmission reinstallation on this truck, which transmission's in. So I've got transfer case, drive shafts, a bunch of other miscellaneous things. I'm going to set this up on a time lapse and we'll go from there. tonight. There's still some stuff left to do. I did not put a front drive shaft in, and I did not put all the boots and things around the shifter. But I'm going to try to drive this truck tonight, and I'm just running out of time to do that stuff. So if everything goes well, right now I'm going to start this up, back it out, and that'll be the end of the video. But the battery in here is pretty questionable, and I'm not going to change it right now. I have a jump pack, and it's, well, it's like 2 days away from October, so that means that I have maybe 3 weeks before this has to go away for the winter, because it will start to snow about then. So I'm going to try to limp it along on this battery for the next little bit. Hopefully it isn't an issue. So if you've made it this far, again, hit that subscribe button, like, share, all the good stuff. Thanks for watching. I'll pull this out, but I'll see you later.